Hey there, Jeff. How are you? It's Leo again from Rona Marketing. I wanted to shoot over this quick video we was talking about with the tips to help bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. And I'd love to hear some feedback from you, and I hope these strategies are helpful. Now, as you see, I've got your website pulled up right here, Shingle Magic Atlanta. Love the logo. The photos look great, man. The way everything kind of pushes in here, showing your service and everything. Really great website, quality looking pictures and everything in here. I like the way everything kind of pans in whenever you come down. But if I was to make one suggestion, I'd say content. Google loves content. They want to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page because 24/7 Google sends bots out to crawl these sites to identify what they are and what the services are that you provide. So you want to make sure throughout that content that you're adding buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches. The keyword is the location and the service that you provide. Another good thing to do is to make sure you're saving these photos as keywords because photos and videos count as content too. So that could be re-roof Atlanta, Atlanta re-roof, roof jobs in Atlanta, things like that. That tells what you're doing and then the city that you're doing it in. Now, I've got your website put into a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So this is a UR and the DR. This is the strength of your website and the trust that your website has. And you see the trust is a 0.01, and that's probably due to the backlinks being a little more spammy. Now, these numbers are out of 100, so you want to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. 114 backlinks and 40 referring domains. Now, a backlink is the cream of the crop. They are what's powering your content, your keywords, things like that. So a backlink is one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. You're only being indexed for 29 organic keywords right now. And we'll go through some of those keywords and see what they are. So again, roof conveyors, Georgia, it's a 0 KD, 60 search volume a month. That's a really good word. That's a good keyword because 0 KD, the KD is out of 100. So the lower it is, the easier it is to rank. Roofing, Covington, Georgia is another one. 0 KD at 70 searches a month. Another one right here, 0 KD at 90 searches a month. Another one right here, roof shingles Atlanta, 100 searches a month at 8 KD. So that's what you want to do. You want to try to make sure that you've got the right keywords throughout your content that you want to be found for. Now, the way I found you was through the Google Guaranteed paid ads, which are good ways to get service quickly. But once you stop paying for these, you are pushed off of the front page. And you're actually not even on the first page right now. You have to click in here and go down and find your services. Next is the map pack. This is, again, the top 3. And this is where you're going to get 30 to 40% of your search volume. You're not in this top 3 right now, and that's okay because there's several ways to get there. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number is the exact same all across the internet because you don't want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom that you want to make sure it gets filled out, and don't forget to add keywords in there as well. Also, by posting geotagged, geolocated photos weekly really helps you rank organically, and then also adding citations. Now, a citation is your business name, address, and phone number in local directories or directories, period. Like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, because honestly, it's just a big popularity contest. That's all Google is. So giving out your information to as many directories as possible will start to make Google trust you more because you're more relevant out in all these directories. And that will boost your business not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. And again, being in that map pack is going to give you 30 to 40% of traffic that comes straight to your website and gives you a call. Now, this is organics. This is where you're going to get 60 to 70% of your searches. Colony Roofers are number 1 in the organics. And they have a little bit of content, but as you see, they don't have a lot. So by implementing having more content on your site than theirs, you'll start to outrank them while adding backlinks, keywords, content, things like that as well. Now, I wanted to show you some more keywords. These are what you can do to add to your service areas. Because, let me see, Lawrenceville, Sandy Springs. So you need to have individual pages on your service area. So you need to have a Lawrenceville page, a Sandy Springs page, a Marietta page. And I just wanted to show you the volume that you can get from these pages. Just adding those 3 pages on here. Look at this insane volume. 0 KDs, 0 to 1 KDs, and 250, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 100, 100, 100, 100. There's thousands of search right here. Same for Marietta, 350, 350, 350, 350, and all these are KDs are under 10, so a lot easier to rank. Sandy Springs, just these 2, you can make a Sandy Springs location page with 500 words and these 2 keywords throughout that content, and that's 900 searches a month. Just even if you got 5% of that, that's 45 new jobs a month. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, there's a great amount of volume here. So once you start ranking, you'll take a percentage of that volume that's going to go to your website. Then a percentage that's going to give you a call. Then depending on your close rate, you can turn these calls into customers. I really hope this video was helpful. I'd love to hear some feedback from you. If you got any questions, I can be that free resource for you. Don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you have a great day.